Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Roy's World of Tech and Tesla. So today's video will be about purchasing and installing a screen protector for your 2021 Tesla Model Y 7-seater. This is one of the first things you need to do when you buy a Tesla, and the reason for that is because the screen controls majority of the functions of the car, whether it be navigation, adjusting the mirrors in your car, or even something simple as playing music. So it is very important that we install a screen protector so it protects it from scratches, dings, or any other types of damage. So that way it doesn't cost you significant amount of money to fix or replace the screen. So how I went about purchasing the screen protector and installing it is what this video is going to be all about. So before we get into that, please do hit subscribe and like my video so that I can create more meaningful content about my experience with Tesla. So that being said, let's start the video, and hopefully you find this video useful. So let's get into it. Alright, so everyone is wondering which screen protector I ended up purchasing for my Tesla Model Y. So this is it. The one that I bought was from Amazon.ca and it was sold by LMZX. I purchased it for $31.99 Canadian, which I found was a reasonable price for a screen protector of this quality. In terms of rating, it is a 4.4 out of 5 stars, which was pretty decent overall. And I did read through the reviews as well, so nothing alarming about this product. In terms of features, it is a matte finish, and some of the key features of this screen protector is anti-glare film, bubble-free install, resists fingerprints and smudges, waterproof anti-oil pollution, and it has a 9H screen protection. So overall, looking at this product online, it seemed like it was a great buy, so I ended up purchasing it. So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to install this product on my Tesla. All right, everyone, so here it is, the package from Amazon. It looks pretty well packaged. Let's open it up and let's see what is inside. Top fit touchscreen protector for the Model 3 and Y. All right, so let's see what it is. Cool. All right, so you got an installation kit, which includes wet wipes as well as dry ones, as well as some stickers to remove the dust from the screen, and also comes with an instructions manual. There's nothing else inside the box other than the screen protector itself. So let's open up the kit and take out the screen cleaning wipes. Just make sure to turn the fan or air conditioning off so that way you don't blow dust onto the screen. So let's open up these wet wipes and clean the screen. And before we do that, let's make sure to change the settings to screen cleaning mode so that way you don't keep pressing on the buttons. So just nicely clean it. I didn't have to do a lot of cleaning because it's pretty new, so everything is good. So I just did a quick wipe and then use the dry wipes to clean it up and to ensure that there's no dust on it before I install the screen protector. So what I have to do is I have to remove the film on top of the screen protector. And once I did that, I just gently place it on top of the screen. Make sure it is aligned in all four corners, and then just gently push it onto the screen. And what I did is I used the dry wipes to push out the bubbles through the corner, so that way it is clean and it is bubble free. And it was pretty straightforward. It did
take some time to get those bubbles out, but I got it out eventually. So let's just get those out. There you go. So the last bit of bubbles are out, and let's get back to the normal screen. You just have to press and hold the screen cleaning mode, and it goes back to the normal screen. And there you go. That's how easy it is to install your screen protector.
Welcome back everyone. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please do hit subscribe and like my channel so that way I can create more meaningful content about my Tesla for you. And if you have any questions about the screen protector or anything about the Tesla Model Y, please do feel free to reach out to me. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And other than that, till my next video, see ya.